Hey everybody, my name is Lisa. I'm a vendor at She Shed Vintage, and I want to talk to you today about farmhouse paint and paint classes that I'm planning to have here at America's Antique Mall very soon. I'm actually shooting for early in August. I would like to have a couple of days a week for painting, maybe a Wednesday and a Sunday, so I can accommodate people who work during the week and people who are home during the week also. The paint classes will run maybe 3 hours. You will get an 8-ounce jar of paint with your purchase of the paint class, and you will bring one small item to paint. It can be a small table. If you're thinking you might want to paint your kitchen or your bathroom vanity, bring a door in and we will work on that and pick a color and see if you like it. Farmhouse paint, I've been sold on that for about 3 years now. It's fantastic paint. I painted with everything: chalk paint, milk paint, mineral paint. This stuff really is all that in a bag of chips. I am not kidding. It levels out nice. It wears like iron. It's easy to work with, water-based, great variety of colors. Here we have everything stocked in America's Antique Mall in all the colors and sizes. So you'll find all the colors here in 2 sizes, in quarts and in 8-ounce jars. Quarts are $41, the jars are $19. The small jar is what you get with your paint class purchase. The paint class will include all of the other materials you'll need: rollers, brushes, roller trays. So all you have to bring is really you and your piece. I'm intending to have a class size of about 4 people max. So if you want to bring some friends, have a fun day, and learn how to do some new techniques with farmhouse paint, I'll be happy to teach you that.